the Karnataka government has now set up a special vaccination center for students in Bengaluru who are planning to go abroad. This comes after the students across the state were struggling to get themselves inoculated before flying out, while the walk-in jabs will be administered only after valid documents are shown.
Got a couple of students who plan to go overseas for their education who are struggling to get their jab. They are from Mysuru. They've come here to Bengaluru to this particular vaccination camp. Let's speak to them. Firstly, where are you traveling to, and did you get your dose here?
Yeah, we are traveling to the US, so I got my first dose just now. So it was helpful because it was a walk-in and we could show our certificates that we got an admit and we got the vaccine right away.
And what about you? How and where are you from first?
I'm from Mysore as well, so I am traveling to US too. So just like this is really helpful for students, that is what basically I would say. So because in Mysore, I don't think I can just take away my IDs and go and get my vaccine there. Here I have to show my college admit, my I-20 or any other college related ID, and then I can come here and get my first dose. So basically,
Was the process simple?
Yeah, it was very simple. So we just had to wait because the CoWIN portal was down. We had to wait for a couple of hours, but that was fine. We came and we got the vaccine. That is the main thing. And then since they have reduced the gap between first and second dose is 6 weeks for students who are planning to study abroad, it is very, very helpful for us.
Thank you so much, guys. Well, that's the word from out here. The students are definitely elated. You can see several of them, of course, still seated, waiting for their jab. And they're saying that especially making this process streamlined, reducing the time gap between the vaccine is also going to help them a big deal.
Meanwhile, Times Network spoke with Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister Dr. Ashwath Narayan. He said that special vaccination center is specifically for people who are preparing to travel abroad for education purposes only. Let's listen.
So if you could tell us now who all are eligible to get a jab here?
Since there was a lot of demand by the students and the people, our citizens who wanted to travel abroad, with regard to various requirements, let it be job or education or whether various other assignment and need is there. So to address their concern, we came out with a solution to start exclusively a center for the people who are traveling abroad. They were very hard pressed to address their concern. So in this direction, we started this center in the Bangalore City University, and it has been started and it is successfully going on. And this is exclusively for the people who are into that particular, who fits into this particular category. Based on the documents, what they submit, we'll do a lot of scrutiny. And this center is exclusively for the students and the people who want to go abroad.